Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to cover one more problem on pushdown automata. So here the problem is we need to construct a pushdown automata for the language na of w is equal to nb of w where n is greater or equal to 1. According to the given language, here the number of a should be equal to the number of the b's. Okay, here the set of the strings belong to the given language is so AB where number of A's is equal to the number of the B, or it can be a BA, or it can be a 2A's followed by 2B, or it can be the string can started with the B, here 2B's followed by 2A's is there, or AB and so on. Okay, so this is a set of the strings belong to the given language where number of A's is equal to the number of the B's. Okay, now we need to construct the pushdown automata for this language. Okay, we know that in the pushdown automata we are going to use the stack, and initially we know that the bottommost element of the stack is a z0. Okay, let me take one string here AB. Okay, so here for this string the first input alphabet is A is there. Okay, now for this string the first input alphabet is A. What we need to do, we need to push this A onto the top of the stack. Okay, and next input symbol in the string is B is there. So now we need to push that B onto the top of the stack. Okay, and the next input symbol in the string is A is there. So if this is the case, what we need to do, we need to pop the topmost element from the stack, and next input symbol is B is there. Okay, now we need to pop the topmost element from the stack, and after that, so we have reached the end of the string. So the next input symbol is epsilon, and here the topmost element is z0 is there. This indicates that we have reached the end of the string. Okay, and we observe this thing. Okay, so here what we have done, so first we have pushed the A onto the top of the stack, and next time, so for the input symbol B we have pushed that into the top of the stack, and if the input symbol is the next input symbol is A is there, and top of the stack is B is there. The next input symbol A is there, and top of the stack is B is there. Now this is the different symbols, that's why we have popped that B. And next the top of the stack is A is there, and the input symbol B is there, and then we got the different symbol. So what we need to do, we need to pop that element from the top of the stack. So here according to this logic, what we need to do, so if we get the different symbols, if the input symbol is A and top of the stack is B, we need to pop the top of the stack, and then if the input symbol is B and the top of the stack is A, so the different symbols there we should pop the B. Okay, similarly for the same symbols, suppose if the input symbol is A and top of the symbol is also A, we need to push that, and for BB also we need to perform the push operation. For the different symbols we need to perform the pop operation. Okay, now let me write the pushdown automata by using this logic. So we know that, so the initial state is Q0. Okay, and so the string can start with A, and if the input symbol is Z0, no, here the input symbol is A and the top of the stack is Z0, so just we need to push that into the top of the stack. And so here the string can also start with a B, and the top of the stack is Z0, we need to push that into the top of the stack. And for the same symbols, okay, this is for the first symbol. If in the next time if we pushing the same symbols more than one time, so the self loop, so we need to push that symbol onto the top of the stack. Similarly for the B also, same symbols is there, input symbol B, top of the stack is B, same symbols are there, we need to push that into the top of the stack. Suppose if we get the different symbols, suppose if the input symbol is B and top of the stack is A, so we need to pop that element. And the same case for if the input symbol is B on top of the stack is B, we need to pop that. Okay, and then after this once we have reached the end of the string, so the epsilon will be there and top of the stack is z0 will be there, and then we'll end up with a z0 only, and then we have reached the final state. Okay, and this is the push down automata for the given language where number of a's is equal to the number of the b. Thank you.